Are you looking for the best sewing machine? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. D063 Sewing Machine. The D063 sewing machine is a nifty household companion for DIY enthusiasts and beginners venturing into the world of sewing. This portable electric sewing machine boasts convenience with its compact design, making it an ideal choice for home use. The inclusion of a built-in light ensures that your sewing projects are well lit and visibility is never compromised. With adjustable speed control, this machine caters to users of varying expertise, allowing beginners to ease into the craft while providing more control for seasoned sewers. Packed with essential features, the D063 sewing machine is a versatile and user-friendly tool for all your home sewing endeavors, equipped with the necessary accessories to make your creative journey a smooth and enjoyable one. Number 2. Portable Sewing Machine. A portable sewing machine, such as the mini electric household crafting mending overlock with 12 stitches and a presser foot pedal, is a compact and convenient tool designed for sewing enthusiasts, beginners, and those who need a lightweight and versatile sewing solution. These machines are ideal for individuals who want the flexibility to sew and mend fabrics at different locations or for those with limited space. The compact size of portable sewing machines makes them easy to carry and store, allowing users to take their sewing projects on the go. Despite their small size, these machines often come equipped with a variety of features, including different stitching options, an overlock function for creating secure seams, and a presser foot pedal for hands-free operation. Number 3. Mini Sewing Machine. The mini sewing machine you mentioned seems like a versatile and compact tool for various household sewing needs. Its portability makes it convenient for crafting, mending, and overlocking tasks. With 12 stitches and an overlock function, it offers a range of options for different sewing projects. The inclusion of a presser foot and a foot pedal suggests user-friendly operation, making it suitable for beginners. Additionally, the presence of a night light adds a practical touch, enabling sewing even in low light conditions. The electric DIY capability and 2-thread kit further enhance its usability for creating and customizing clothes. Overall, this mini sewing machine appears to be a handy and efficient solution for at-home sewing projects. Number 4. 60W Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The 60W Heavy Duty Sewing Machine is a powerhouse when it comes to handling various sewing tasks. With its robust metal frame, it ensures stability and durability, making it suitable for heavy-duty projects. Featuring 8 built-in stitches, this sewing machine offers versatility to cater to different sewing needs. Whether you're working on intricate crafts or everyday mending, the multifunctional capabilities of this household sewing tool make it a reliable companion. The inclusion of a twin needle further enhances its functionality, allowing for more creative stitching options. This sewing machine is designed to tackle a range of fabrics with precision and ease. Number 5. Sewing Machine Portable Handy. A portable handy sewing machine like the one you described offers a compact and convenient solution for various sewing needs. With its mini size and portability, it becomes an ideal companion for at-home crafting, mending, and DIY projects. The replaceable presser foot allows versatility in stitching, and the inclusion of 40 stitches, including overlock and knitting options, provides a range of choices for different fabric types and styles. The presence of a start button and the option to use either the electric mode or pedal adds to the user-friendly nature of the sewing machine. This makes it suitable for beginners who are just diving into the world of sewing. The compact design also makes it easy to store and transport, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space or for crafting on the go.